Apple held its WWDC today, and it can't be a keynote in 2025 without any AI talk. Apple Intelligence get a new features. The smartest Siri, which was promised 1 year ago, is still not mentioned anywhere. You get live translation, which is copied from the competition, but it's good to see Apple catching up. It is integrated into messages, FaceTime, and phone apps, and its model run entirely on device. In messages, it translates messages, but interestingly, in FaceTime call, you can still hear your interlocutor call, but this feature will have live translator captions. You can have a mix of emojis and combine them with description to come up with something new known as Genmoji. When you create one based on your family and friends, you can adjust your hairstyle after the fact in order to match its latest look. ChatGPT is now integrated into image playground writing tool Siri and visual intelligence. Visual intelligence can take action on anything you can see on the screen. So you can ask ChatGPT questions about what you're looking at the screen. You can also search Google and ask Etsy and other supported apps. It recognizes when you're looking at an event and suggests adding it to the calendar, extracting the date, time, and location, the process. Shortcut got smarter and more powerful with the addition of intelligent actions. The most relevant actions in the email, website, and other content can be identified and automatically categorized into reminders. Apple Wallet can identify and summarize order tracking details from email sent from the merchants and delivery carriers from all your orders. On the Apple Watch, when you're using Bluetooth headphones only, Workout Buddy is a feature powered by Apple Intelligence. This will be first available in English for these type of workouts: outdoor and indoor run, outdoor and indoor walking, outdoor cycle, HIIT, and functional and traditional strength training.